What's going on, everybody? I just did a video on if your BotVac's little side brush right there is spinning sluggishly or maybe not spinning at all. I just did a video on that, and let's just show you what happened. It's beautiful. Spinning perfectly. Basically, there's a rubber O-ring, which is this guy right here. This O-ring gets stretched out over time and has to be replaced. There's a couple of belts in there actually, or you could call them O-rings. It's basically a small belt. There's one main belt also for the main brushes, as far as that roller system. And I'm sure that one could get stretched out as well over time. So might be worth looking into that one if you're having issues, especially if yours is slipping when it's going over carpeted surfaces. But mine was just not running great as far as the little side brush. Now it is perfect again. Not that difficult of a job. The main issue is you gotta have the little Torx, what's called tamper-proof Torx, because it has a little hole in it. Tiny little hole inside the wrench right there. Especially on the newer models, they have tamper-proof Torx screws on them. Because I guess they don't want people messing with these things. They would just want you to throw it away or have to call some service department to come fix the thing. So ridiculous. Anyway, so that's the main issue. If you get your little T10 Torx tamper-proof set, looks like these right here. Notice they got little holes in the wrenches. You can then remove all the screws, and it's not that difficult a job. But yeah, I've been using the heck out of mine, and so that's why the little belt got stretched out for the side brush. Anyway, that's it. Very pleased. Learned something new. Had never torn into this thing, and of course I had to do a little video research myself. But it's not that big a job. Not difficult at all. Anyone can handle it. If you got some basic tools, you can handle it. And that's it. Dan the Man is back rolling. Pleased about that. So check out my other videos on using this little guy. If you're considering one, I do recommend them. It's not, this thing is not for a lazy person. You still have to help it out and move furniture out of the way for it. You're helping it, and it helps you. So it's a good thing. But no, some people think it turns you into a lazy person. That's totally not the case. So yeah, I recommend it. This is the Neato D7, and it connects Wi-Fi to your to your home network. There's this little home base right there that it will charge itself on once it's finished. But these things work really well. And you can be more productive if you've got other work to do. Once you move your little chairs and whatnot out of the way for it, you can just go do your business and carry on with your life while it does its thing. And it's got a little app that you can put on your mobile device or your iPad or whatever, and it will tell you what the status of the device is. It'll tell you if it's stuck somewhere, or if it's dirty, if the filter needs cleaning, or if it's got a problem, or if it's finished what its job was. Look at it go underneath there. Those things are so awesome. When's the last time you moved furniture out of the way to sweep underneath something like that? probably when you move is the only time you do that. And it can fit right underneath all kinds of furniture. I think it's so awesome. Look at it come out of there. It's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. You have to try it to believe it. And, you know, once you try one, you'll understand that it's not for a lazy person at all. Anyway, so check out my other videos. I shoot videos of it in use sometimes and watch it just do its little thing. It's hard to just let it go, you know, because you want to watch it because it's kind of fun. So it's difficult to to not watch it. I totally understand. Anyway, that's it. We got tons of other videos on our channel, Horsepower House and Horsepower House 2.0. So check us out, like, subscribe, follow, share, comment, blah, blah, blah. And that's it for today. Y'all have a great weekend. NFL wildcard weekend is coming up. So hope your team does well. And college football playoff championship is Monday. So that's pretty sweet. That's it. Y'all have a great one. See y'all later.